Introducing the 2023 Volvo C40 Rchrg Ultimate 5-Door Auto in sleek black exterior colour. This fully electric vehicle is packed with comfort and safety features such as air conditioning, cruise control, rear armrest, collision avoidance braking, and much more. With a luxurious interior, including a load cover, parcel shelf, and ambient lighting, this Volvo combines style with security features like LED lights, anti-collision system, and emergency call capabilities. Equipped with hands-free boot release, autonomous driving capabilities, and a 360-view camera, the Volvo C40 provides a smooth and safe driving experience. It also comes with a full multi-point safety check, manufacturer serviced, and comprehensive warranty. Don't miss out on this top-of-the-line vehicle. Call us or visit our website spiritmotorgroup.ie for more information today.